Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us out here at MarineMax Baldridge Marina here in Cumming, Georgia. I'm John, and today I'm going to take you on a brief walkthrough of our 2020 Crest Savannah. Please come aboard. 25-foot boat, tri-tune, big luxurious loungers on both sides with a floor storage down in the center. Twin captain's chairs, which honestly I think are the most comfortable seats in all of boating. This boat does come with the optional ottoman and the new 3-drawer storage unit, which really helps you find somewhere to put something on your boat. Then of course you have these two big, huge loungers back here in the back, which are perfect for catching some rays. Powering this beautiful boat, we've got a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado with the Junior Beast tow bar ready for tubing. This boat does also have a power bimini top. Flick of the switch and it will open or close as you so choose. This boat's got all of the gear and gauges that you would want at the helm, including a SIMRAD GPS navigation, SmartCraft gauge, digital throttle with push button start and stop, and of course this beautiful turned aluminum panel. I hope you enjoyed this brief tour of the boat. Hope you'll come out and see us. Again, this is John at MarineMax, and you can reach us at 770-781-9370. Thank you very much.